This video is made for informational purpose only and cannot be used as a substitute for medical advice. If you have any problem, please contact your healthcare provider. So this is your host, Don Makaveli, if you are new here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Viagra. Or I don't know how you mention it. Viagra, whatever. How you want to mention it's okay. So let's look into how it works. How does Viagra works? So Viagra relaxes muscles found in the walls of blood vessels and increases blood flow to particular areas of the body. This is how it works. So Viagra is used to treat erectile dysfunction, also known as impotence in men. That means Viagra is not suitable for children and women. So in my previous video, I prepared the natural Viagra using watermelon, banana, and lemon. So you can also get Viagra, which is the artificial one from the market or the pharmacy. So some people get it from the black market. You can get it from the pharmacy or a hospital. So this picture I was taken from the internet is from the Pfizer company. So Viagra mostly occurs in the tablet. So that's the natural, this is the artificial one. There's just the natural one from the fruits, and this one's the artificial one which you get from the pharmacy or from the black market or from the hospital, which is prepared from chemicals and other things. So today our agenda here is to know how and when to use Viagra, the dose and the effects of Viagra. So how and when to use Viagra? So prescribed Viagra is a prescribed medicine used to treat erectile dysfunction. That means that you can only use Viagra when it is prescribed by a medical doctor. So Viagra is usually taken only when needed, and it should be taken on an empty stomach 30 minutes to 1 hour before sexual activity, and you may also take it 4 hours before sexual activity. So the dose, let's talk about the dose here, because this is very important. If you overdose Viagra, you're going to get yourself into some serious troubles. Because I watched some videos on YouTube, and it was hard to even watch it. So for most patients, the recommended dose is 50 milligram taken as needed, and it should be taken approximately 1 hour before sexual activity. So the maximum recommended dosing frequency is once per day. Do not take anything more than this. Do not take anything more than, and you can take it maybe 3 times a week, but I recommend that you take it once in a while. Do not depend on Viagra, you know what I mean, because it's going to affect you. I mean, the long term effect is not going to be good. So let's talk about some effect of Viagra. So there are 3 main side effects of Viagra. If you experience these side effects, contact your healthcare provider or contact your doctor immediately, or go to the hospital, visit your doctor. So the first one is heart attack symptoms such as chest pain or pressure, pain spreading to your jaw and shoulder, the nausea and sweating, vision changes and sudden vision loss. And the third one, which is the most obvious one, or the one that we all know, is erection becomes painful and can last longer than 4 hours. And these prolonged erection can damage your penis. So remember to, I would say before you use a Viagra, try and know more about Viagra. Try to learn more about Viagra, or try to seek medical, advice before using Viagra, because this can lead to some serious side effects. Negatively, if you overdose it or you use it at the wrong time. So I made a video which I talk about the preparation of natural Viagra. Please go and check that video out, and like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. This is Don Makaveli. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.